Hi! Today's video I will show you how to really glow up with a budget with simple steps. Let's begin. This video will cover these topics about skincare, nail care, hair care, habits, and lastly fashion. Firstly, let's talk about skincare. A simple, effective skincare routine can be the first step of the summer glow-up journey. These are the skincare essentials: cleanser, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. First, cleanse your face gently to remove dust. Have a cleanser that is suitable for your skin type. After, use a serum to brighten your skin or reduce blemishes and to boost hydration of your face. Use a moisturizer to improve skin hydration. Cream-based moisturizer is often preferred for dry and flaky skin type to keep the moisture in the skin intact. Always remember to apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to avoid sunburn. Easy beauty treatments without breaking your bank and also get that glow up. Who says you need to glow up only using skincare products? This part will cover beauty treatments with simple ingredients to try at home. For the glowing skin, make a face mask using oatmeal, banana, and honey. For a moisturized lips, make a lip mask using coconut oil, sugar, and honey. For dry hair, make a hair mask using cooked rice and coconut oil for the end result. Let's move on to the next part, which is hair care. It is also one of the most important part of glowing up. Remember to embrace your natural hair color and texture. It is a unique feature. Use a clarifying shampoo to remove dirt and oil from the scalp. Use a conditioner to hydrate and strengthen your hair and apply to the ends of the hair, not the scalp. For hair mask, use coconut oil and aloe to get a shiny hair and smooth hair. Now it's time to talk about nail care. Remember never to bite your nails. You could be damaging your nails and surrounding skin. To prevent, apply neem oil around the nails. How to grow your nails faster this summer with these simple steps. Drink lemon water. Lemon has vitamin C, which helps to grow nails faster. Trim your nails and file them properly. Avoid snagging. Apply clear nail polish to prevent staining. It acts as a base coat for your nails. Apply nail oil to moisturize your cuticles to make them soft. Now let's talk about fashion. This is an important part of glowing up. So let's dive in. Suitable materials to wear in summer are chambray, linen, cotton, and seersucker. This is 2024 color palette. Wear clothes that have bright and beautiful patterns. Mostly wear tops, frocks, and shorts. Avoid wearing jeans as it is really hot. And style it with sunglasses, cute hats, and scarves. Stay comfortable by wearing sandals or sneakers, and your summer look is complete. Healthy habits to follow this summer instead of scrolling through your phone. Let's talk about fitness and health. Who says you need to go to a gym to work out? With new resources, you can work out at home comfortably. Some easy workout routines you can follow this summer. Healthy habits to follow. Remember to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and keep your body and skin glowing. Eat a balanced meal consisting of fruits, vegetables, and protein. Remember to keep your body moving by doing regular exercise like walking. Remember to get plenty of rest in summer and practice self-care. Meditate to be calm, relaxing your mind and to reduce stress and anxiety. And lastly, remember that don't change yourself to others, and embrace your uniqueness and confidence. Surround yourself with positive people that enjoy your presence and cut off toxic people. Remember that your inner self bright shiner than any skincare or makeup. Go out there and shine. The world with your smile. Love you loves 3.